Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video we are going to review how to upload kestrel weather information to your SprayLogger application. If you're in the field and you don't have a data connection, your weather will not show up. For instance, I've got my tablet connected here. I don't have any internet on this right now, so I'm showing zeros. I do have the ability to click on this box and manually enter in my weather. And that's really helpful if, again, if I don't have a data connection, I have the ability right from the field to look at a kestrel and pop it in there. I also have the ability, and so I've connected online, you can actually see it now updated. I do have the ability to just type that in and edit it as I need to. I can also, using a Kestrel 4000 or 5000, those that have the ability to export out a CSV file, a Kestrel CSV file, I can import that and associate it with an application. And so I can, once I'm logged into my main website, I can go to Records, upload Kestrel, find my job and application, find my CSV, and then I can enter in that information as I need to by hitting Submit Query. And that will assign that weather data to my application automatically. If you have any questions, please call us at 307-673-1050 or email us at solutions@agterra.com. Thanks a lot.